Okay. Alright, now I'm on my mother's porch and I don't have a tape measure to measure the garden here. Alright, don't have a tape measure to measure the dimensions, and that would take a little while. Well, it wouldn't take that long, but I don't have a tape measure that works very well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my shoe. Now, my shoe is it's sitting next to a ruler here. It's about a good 12 inches. I mean, it might be a little bit less, but it'll give us a good estimate, so I can just pace it out. I can just pace it out here. Alright? Alright, so let's go down here and let's pace it out. Okay, I'm going to stand about right here. Alright, pace it out. So, oh, wow. Okay, I'm having trouble balancing now. Okay, here we go. 1. So that right now that's about 2. So that's about 2 feet. Alright. Man, I'm having a lot of trouble looking in this camera and doing this. Alright. Okay, so that's about 3. Alright. That's about 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Alright. 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so the length on this thing is about 30 feet. Alright, about 30 feet is the length. Okay, so the width, okay, we're just going to go here. Right, the width is just going to be about right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh gosh, 6. Or about 6. So now we're looking at a garden here that's about 30 feet by 6 feet. So now let's come back here. Let's come back into the backyard. Alright. Don't look at the license plates there. Alright, let's go down for privacy purposes. I don't have the little, you know how they do the thing where they block out the license plates. I don't think I have that feature. Alright. So now, this is mulch. Let's look at how much one of these bags can cover. Let's see here. One bag, it looks like can cover, well, depending on how high you want it. So for instance, if you want it 4 inches high, the mulch, then one of these bags can cover 6 square feet. So we don't want it 4 inches high. We only want 2 inches high, the mulch. So we make it 2 inches high, then that means this bag will cover 12 square feet. One of these bags. So now we have to figure out how many bags of this mulch do we need to cover that garden. Alright, so let's think about that. How many bags of this mulch do we need to cover that garden up? Alright, let's think about that.